Good day, attorney. My name is Kagalator D. Francisco, and I am your student from CRI 323, code 6293. And today, I'm gonna recite articles 134, 134A, and finally 139. Article 134, or rebellion or insurrection. How it is committed. The crime of rebellion or insurrection is committed by rising publicly or taking arms against the government for the purpose of removing from the said allegiance, government, or its laws, the territory of the Republic of the Philippines or any part thereof, of any body of land, naval, or other armed forces, or depriving the chief executive or the legislature, wholly or partially, of any their powers or prerogatives. Next is Article 134A, or coup d'etat. How it is committed? The crime of coup d'etat is a swift attack accompanied by violence, intimidation, threat, strategy, or stealth directed against duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, or any military camp or installation, communications network, public utilities, or other facilities needed for the exercise and continued possession of power, singly or simultaneously, carried out anywhere the Philippine by any person of or persons belonging to the military or police, or holding any public office of employment with or without civilian support or participation for the purpose of seizing or diminishing their power. And finally, Article 139, entitled Sedition. How it is committed? The crime of sedition is committed by the person who rise publicly and tumultuously in order to attain by force, intimidation, or by other means outside legal methods any of the following objects, such as to prevent promulgation or execution of any law, of the holding of any popular election. Next, to prevent the national government or any provincial municipal government, or any public officer thereof from freely exercising its functions, or prevent the execution of any administrative order. Next, to inflict any of hate or revenge upon the person or property of any public officer or employer. To commit for any political or social end any act of hate or revenge against private persons or any social class. And lastly, to despoil for any political or social end any person, municipality, or provinces, or the national government, uh, or the government of the United States, of all its property or any part thereof. That would be all. Thank you for listening, attorney.